First of all, guys, check out this TikTok channel. This channel uploads the same style of videos in all scenes. You can clearly see the character. Now, if you watch the videos, the character gives speeches, and these are comedy videos based on languages. Sometimes it's about different languages, sometimes it's just funny, speechless style humor. In these videos, you can see on the screen how the character delivers a speech while the audience listens. Different countries' flags are also placed in the background. Everything is properly added. The environment, the setup, and even the thumbnail is the same across all videos. This niche is very powerful and perfect because the character gives speeches in different scenarios. Now, if we talk about its performance, this channel has around 219.8K followers and 2.8 million likes. It's a highly viral TikTok channel. Talking about income, it earns through brand partnerships, approximately between $1,400 to $3,000. If we calculate per view earnings, it's around 0.04 per thousand views. Based on an average of 35K views, it earns about $1.46. However, the main income comes from partnerships, where it makes at least $1,400 to $2,000 monthly.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. You know, sometimes I wonder if I'm just a collection of lines and circles, trying to make sense of in a world full of squares. It's a tough gig, but someone's got to do it, right?
So guys, let's start. First of all, I have already prepared an all-in-one master prompt for you. Just like the TikTok channel you saw earlier, this prompt includes the same character style, environmental style, background, camera setup, and all important elements. It also includes structured sections like image prompts, video prompts, and text-to-video prompts. Yes, today, we will generate text-to-video images and videos, everything. What you need to do is very simple. Just copy this complete master prompt. I will provide its link in the description. Then you need to open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, paste this full prompt. Once you paste it, simply click on Generate. As soon as you click Generate, first it will give you a master prompt. Then Section 1 will provide 10 image prompts, then 10 video prompts, and then text-to-video cinematic scenes. The process is simple. We only need to take the main character prompt and include it in all image prompts, video prompts, and text-to-video prompts. The scenes will automatically keep changing. Now, as you can see, our prompts are ready. Next, we are going to use a new tool. Let me give you a quick introduction. The tool we are using today is called Vidu AI, one of the most powerful all-in-one AI tools. When you enter the website, link in description, you simply need to log in. It also gives you free credits. On the screen, you will see that Vidu AI has recently launched its Q3 model. Today, we will test both image-to-video and text-to-video. We will also test reference-to-video and the image generator. Below, you will see many tools like reference-to-video, image-to-video, templates, AI swap, AI video maker, one-click video generator, AI video editor, and AI video enhancer. At the top, there is also an AI agent, which works like a chat assistant similar to ChatGPT and helps generate ideas. On the left side, you will again see options like image-to-video, text-to-video, reference-to-video, and image generator. Everything is organized. The images and videos shown below are all generated using this tool. These are examples provided by the platform to demonstrate its capabilities. And honestly, from these results, the tool looks very professional. I have already tested it, and today I will show you a live demo of how it works. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. First step, image generation. You need to go to the website. At the top, you will find the image generation option on the left side. Click on it. Here you will see two options, reference to image and text to image in. Reference to image, you can upload 4 or 5 images and generate a full scene. But today we will use text to image. Click on text to image. Then go to ChatGPT, copy the main character prompt, and paste it here. Then go back again, copy the first scene from Section 1, image prompt, and paste it as well. Next, select the model. Choose the Vidu Q3 image generator. Then select resolution, up to 4K. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Keep the amount to 1 and click Generate. One more interesting thing, the image generator uses 0 credits, meaning it's completely free. Also, it's very fast compared to other tools. Now you can see on the screen, it has generated the exact same character, same background, and consistent style. Just like the TikTok channel we saw earlier, everything is perfectly consistent. Download the image. Now, copy scene 2 from Section 1, paste it again, and click Generate. Keep repeating this process, only changing the scene prompt each time. As you can see, the second image is now ready. Again, very professional and fully consistent. Now I copy scene 3, paste it, and generate again. Third image is also ready with the same consistent style, only the poses are changing according to the scene, exactly as we wanted. I continue generating all images one by one using the same process. Finally, here are the results. You can see how professional everything looks. All images are generated with a consistent character, consistent background, and only pose variations. Exactly perfect. So this was our image generation process. Now comes the main part: image to video, reference to video, and text to video. Let's test these next. So guys, now the time has come for image to video, which is our main focus for today. And we are about to start it. Once your images are generated, simply go back to the home page. On the home page, you will see different tools, and on the screen you'll find the image to video option. Just open it. As soon as you open it, you will also see other tools like reference to video, image to video, and text to video. First of all, we will select image to video. Then we will move to reference to video, and after that, we will explore text to video. So first, what you need to do is upload the first image that we generated earlier. I'm uploading my image now. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy one video prompt from section 2. Then come back to Vidu AI and paste that prompt into the prompt box. Now select the duration. I recommend between 8 to 16 seconds. Then comes the most important part, the model. You must select the latest model, which is Vidu Q3, as it is the newest video model. After that, set the resolution to 1080p. Set the creative mode to cinematic. The number of videos depends on you. If you have enough credits, you can generate multiple videos. Otherwise, just select one. Now click on Generate. As you can see, our first video generation has started. It usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes to generate the video. After that, we will test the result and compare the differences between text to video, image to video, and reference to video. So guys, within a short time, our image to video result will be ready. And here is the result in front of you. It even added sound effects, which makes it even better. Now I upload the second image and generate another video for testing. I copy the second prompt, paste it into Vidu AI, select the same duration, and keep all settings the same, especially the model, Vidu Q3, and then click Generate. Now the second video generation has started. Let me tell you something interesting. This latest model behaves differently and even adds more advanced features. Now, as you can see, the second video
sometimes I wonder
ready.
if I'm just a collection of lines and circles, trying to make sense of in a world full of squares. It's a tough gig, but someone's got to do it, right? Sometimes I wonder if I'm just a collection of lines and circles.
Now I upload the third image, go to section 2 again, copy the next video prompt, paste it, and click Generate. The third video is now being generated, and here is the result.
Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here tonight. I hope you're all having a wonderful evening. Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here tonight. I hope you're all having a wonderful...
Upload image, paste prompt, and click Generate. Finally, let me show you the results. So guys, here are the final last 3 videos.
It's a pleasure to be here tonight.
Sometimes I wonder if I'm just a collection of lines and circles, trying to make sense of in a world full of squares.
Next, we move to reference to video. Here you will see 2 options: upload clips and upload images. We will use upload images. I click on upload images and upload 4 images as references. After that, select the model, choose the latest Vidu Q3 Pro model. Set the duration to around 8 seconds. Then select sound effects only, because proper voiceover is not available here. Set the aspect ratio to 16.9. Keep the amount to 1 or more if you want, and click Generate. Now the reference to video generation has started. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. And here is the result. You can see how it generated a cinematic video while maintaining the same character. How you can upload 4 or 5 images and generate a full cinematic video. Now let's move to the main part, text to video. I click on text to video. Here, you only need to provide a prompt. First, go back to ChatGPT, copy the main character prompt and paste it here. Then go back again and copy the first text to video scene prompt, paste it into Vidu AI. Now select the model. Again, choose the latest Vidu Q3 model. Set duration up to 16 seconds. I recommend 10-12 seconds for best quality. Set resolution to 1080p, aspect ratio to 16.9, and creative mode to cinematic. Then click Generate. Now, the generation has started. After a short time, here is the result. You can preview the video.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
I go back to ChatGPT, copy multiple text-to-video prompts, 2 to 3 scenes, and paste them into the same prompt box. Keep all settings the same, and click Generate again. After a short time, the second video is ready. You can see how the background frames, character movements, and differences between scenes are all clearly visible. It looks very impressive. So guys, now all our videos are ready. Today, you saw how we generated images using Vidu AI, then converted those images into videos using image to video, then created videos using reference to video, and finally generated videos using text to video. This is a complete all-in-one tool. It is fast, powerful, and even generates voiceovers in some cases. It is definitely one of the best AI tools right now. I have tested it live in front of you, and honestly, it is a very beautiful and powerful tool.
Sometimes
So
I wonder
guys,
if I'm just a
let me
collection
tell
of
you,
lines and circles.
Vidu AI is extremely powerful. So guys, now let's talk about the pricing plans. Let me tell you, Vidu AI offers around 4 different plans: Standard, Premium, Ultimate, and Enterprise. In the Enterprise plan, you get around 13,000 credits. In the Ultimate plan, you get 8,000 credits. In the Premium plan, you get 4,000 credits. And in the Standard plan, you get 800 credits. You can easily choose a plan, start creating videos, upload them on YouTube and TikTok, and go viral. If you liked this video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.
Sometimes I wonder if I'm just a collection of lines and circles, trying to make sense of in a world full of squares. It's a tough gig, but someone's got to do it, right?